right, it's a good start. Welcome to Linux Mint. Now, the moment of truth. This is part 2 of my garage laptop series. Last time we installed Mint XFCE on this old laptop to get it to work so I could use it for reading diagrams and manuals in my garage. I had old Windows 10 on it and it didn't work so well. I tried using an 8GB RAM card from an old Acer computer, however it didn't work in this one. So I ordered a new 8GB RAM stick for 20 bucks off Amazon. I'm going to see if it works in this computer today. All right, same thing as lap time. I'm going to take the back off. I actually have all the screws off because I knew this would be coming. Take the back off here. And first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the battery. All right. We don't want to fry the motherboard. Actually, I'm going to move the 4 over to this place. I'm going to take out this 2. It's a little 2GB stick right here. I'm not going to use that anymore. Put that over there. We're going to move this 4 banger over to this spot. All right. Now we're going to get our 8, our new 8. Where'd it go? Right here. Let's see here. Yeah. Do I need a bigger knife? Look at that. Time Tech, 8GB, DDR3, 1.35 volts. That's the low voltage one. Should work. Come on, I hope it works. All right, let's get this puppy installed. All right. Seems like it slid in there really easy. All right, good. Let's plug this back in. Cross our fingers. Hopefully it works. I'm going to put a few screws in there. Flip it back over. That's a good start. Last time with the Acer, it just beeped at me whenever I turned it on. Oop, we got the Linux Mint logo. Welcome to Linux Mint. Let's go. How many times is it going to show me this? Now, the moment of truth.